Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase a license using existing balance on your CoCalc account. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects. And in the upper right-hand corner, you can see that I currently have a $50 credit on my account that I can use to purchase licenses or utilize any other pay-as-you-go services like compute servers or CoCalc's premium AI integrations. And at this point, I'd like to navigate to the store. And while there are a number of ways to do that, I'll head over to our landing page and then I'll click on Store, at which point you'll want to select the Licenses tab or click on Licenses below. And this little switch right here will show some additional explanations of the license parameters, so I highly recommend using this if you're buying a license for the first time or it's just been a while. And underneath, you'll want to designate whether or not you're a business or an academic. As an academic, you get a 40% discount, so please take advantage of that if you can. And here you'll want to choose the license period so you can have a subscription. So there are a couple different options there, and you can also choose a specific start and end date. We recommend this option if you're teaching a course or a workshop. Maybe you want to run a workshop from now through the end of today. And then this run limit should correspond to the number of simultaneously active projects, that corresponding to students in a course or the number of workshop participants if you're teaching. But that is a quick overview in that context. And then below there are a few presets: standard, instructor, and researcher. So those hopefully are pretty self-explanatory, but you also have the additional option of expert configuration. So you can choose the exact amount of RAM, the number of CPU cores, disk space, and the idle timeout that are associated with the license. And then here I can go ahead and name my license. So I'll name this demo license. This is a short description. Okay. And now I'll go ahead and add this to my cart. And here I will proceed to checkout. You can see that this license for today is pretty cheap. And then most importantly, you'll want to make sure that you are using this little checkbox right here that says use account balance. So you can see that I have $50 available. Use the checkbox, purchase with one click using the account credit. And that's it. Now I have a license for my CoCalc account, and that is a quick trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.